an holiday booked to Budapest end of June. So
Have you? How long are you going for?
Just 4 nights. I've never been before. So
Yeah, the missus has been. She enjoyed it.
Oh, she enjoyed it, did she? Yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
Thanks for your time. I've got a new one-to-one system.
Right, okay.
It's more about the communication side of aspects of it, rather than all the form filling that is tedious.
Yeah.
There's obviously no forms like I've mentioned. There's no scoring for it as well, because there's no you meet this, you're under this. So it's just so much better in my opinion. So there's 3 parts to this one-to-one.
Okay.
There is where are you now, where do we need to be,
Right.
and any support and assistance
All right, okay.
that myself or anyone else can
Right.
assist you and support you with.
Yeah, okay.
Any questions about that? Are we good to go?
No, that's fine.
So looking back since last month, what have you done well? What have you accomplished? Is there anything that stands out? You're proud of?
Yeah, I think I suggested when we make Burnt Line 40, we had a colour code system in place anyway, but I felt as if we needed more colours, whether it was in spec, out of spec, what product it was. So I suggested that we had more colours so I could reference that a lot quicker, rather than having to contact the supervisor. I can visually see it a lot quicker, and it works. It does work quite well.
Yeah, you're not having to chase myself up, but it's that sort of thing.
No, I can just have a quick glance and I know what's in the operas.
Right, brilliant. So we mentioned last month a few little things to work on. We'll just quickly touch on those and see how you get on.
Yeah.
So obviously we said the stock take in the mornings for the morning meetings. How do you find that's gone in general? If you found it okay, is it?
No, not really. If I can be honest with you.
Okay.
I've struggled with that. Trying to find where you get the stocks from.
Yeah.
What needs filling in, because there is a time restraint on that. 8:30, I think. So I have struggled with that.
Yeah. Is there anything that I could do to progress it a bit more?
Maybe if you could come up and see me, or if we could have a daily chat, just so I get used to filling it in, where to fill it in and where to get the information from.
Yeah. And
then hopefully I won't need you as much.
No, that's fair enough.
But it has been a struggle, I'll be honest with you.
Yeah, well, we'll keep that on this month and then we'll reassess it next month.
Yeah, that would help massively, thank you.